In this video, you'll learn how to automate data validation using great expectations, enhancing your data pipeline with robust validation checks to ensure data quality and consistency.
Data validation is a crucial process in any data-driven project. Ensuring the quality and consistency of data can make or break your analysis and insights. Today, we're diving into Great Expectations, a powerful open-source tool that automates data validation. Whether you're managing a small dataset or a large-scale data pipeline, Great Expectations can help maintain data integrity and boost your confidence in your data's reliability. In this video, we'll explore how to set up and leverage Great Expectations to automate your data validation process, enhancing your data pipeline's robustness and efficiency.
To get started with Great Expectations, the first step is setting up your environment. Begin by installing Great Expectations via pip, a package manager for Python. Simply run pip install Great_Expectations in your terminal. Next, initialize a new Great Expectations project by running Great_Expectations in it. This command sets up a directory structure and essential configuration files. It's vital to familiarize yourself with the comprehensive documentation available on the official website. This guide will help you understand configuration options and best practices for initial setup. Ensuring a proper setup lays a strong foundation for your data validation process.
Once your environment is set up, it's time to define expectations. Expectations are assertions about your data, such as data type, null values, and value ranges. Great Expectations offers a wide variety of built-in expectations to choose from, making it easy to apply them to your datasets. You can create expectations using the Great Expectations CLI or by writing Python scripts. As your datasets evolve, managing these expectations becomes crucial. Regularly revisit and update them to align with data changes. By effectively managing expectations, you ensure that your data validation process remains relevant and accurate.
A key advantage of Great Expectations is its ability to automate validation checks within your data pipelines. By incorporating validation into your ETL, extract, transform, load processes, you can automate regular data quality checks. Set up checkpoints to run these validations automatically at different stages of your data pipeline. Keep a close eye on validation results and manage any discrepancies promptly. Automation saves time and reduces the risk of human error, ensuring consistent data quality. This automation not only enhances efficiency but also provides a systematic approach to maintaining data integrity. Great Expectations is designed to integrate seamlessly with a wide range of data tools and platforms. Whether you're using Pandas, Spark, or SQL for data processing, you can easily incorporate Great Expectations for validation. Additionally, it integrates well with ETL platforms like Airflow and Prefect, enabling you to automate validation within your existing workflows. Data warehouses such as Snowflake and BigQuery can also be validated using Great Expectations. By integrating with these tools, you expand the functionality of your data pipelines and enhance your overall data workflows. Despite best efforts, validation failures can occur. Identifying and addressing these failures promptly is crucial. Great Expectations provides detailed reports on validation results, making it easier to pinpoint issues. Analyze the root causes of these failures and implement resolution strategies. Consider using alerting mechanisms to receive notifications when a validation check fails, allowing for a swift response. Learning from past failures helps prevent similar issues in the future. By effectively managing validation failures, you maintain the integrity and trustworthiness of your data. Maintaining data quality is an ongoing process. Regularly update your expectations to reflect changes in your datasets. Consistent monitoring ensures that validation remains effective. Collaborate with data teams to align expectations and validation processes. Thorough documentation of validation procedures facilitates transparency and knowledge sharing. Adopt a continuous improvement approach to refine your validation practices. By following these best practices, you create a robust system for maintaining high data quality and accuracy.
To illustrate the power of automated data validation, let's explore a real-world case study. A retail company implemented Great Expectations to validate their sales data. This ensured accurate reporting and informed decision-making, ultimately improving business outcomes. Lessons learned from this implementation emphasize the importance of scalability in validation processes. As data volumes grow, scalable solutions become essential. Looking ahead, future trends in data validation may include increased use of AI and machine learning to enhance validation accuracy. Real-world examples highlight the practical benefits of automated validation in achieving data reliability.
In this video, we covered how to automate data validation using Great Expectations, from setting up your environment to integrating with other tools. Remember, maintaining data quality is essential for any data-driven project. We invite you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you have questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on data management and automation. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.